Imagine waking up one morning to find out that your job has been replaced by AI. Scary, right? But here's the catch. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating new ones too. The world is changing faster than ever, and if you don't understand AI, you risk being left behind. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how AI works, how it learns, and whether it's a friend or a threat to humanity. Stay with me till the end, because what I'm about to tell you might just change how you see the future forever. Artificial intelligence. Sounds fancy, right? But at its core, AI is just a machine trying to think like a human, or at least trying to pretend it can. Take ChatGPT, for example. It talks like us, writes like us, and sometimes even argues like us. But is it actually thinking? Not really. AI is like a super efficient parrot. It doesn't understand words. It just predicts the next one based on patterns it has seen before. Think of it this way. If you've ever used Google Maps, Netflix recommendations, or even the autocorrect on your phone, congratulations, you've already used AI. But how does it actually learn these things? Let's break it down. At its heart, AI is just a giant student, and its teacher? Data. The more data it gets, the smarter it becomes. But here's where it gets crazy. AI doesn't just memorize facts like we do. It finds patterns in massive amounts of data that no human could ever process. Take self-driving cars, for example. A human driver learns from experience. You know that red means stop, green means go. But in AI, it learns by analyzing millions of hours of driving footage, spotting patterns, and predicting the best move in real time. And this is where neural networks come in, the brain of AI. These networks mimic how our own brain cells work, processing data in layers. Each layer refines the information, just like how you start recognizing faces in a crowd after a few seconds. But let's pause for a second. If AI is so smart, why does it still make dumb mistakes? Well, here's the truth. AI researchers won't tell you. AI might seem all-powerful, but here's something you need to know. AI doesn't actually think, it predicts. That's why sometimes it makes bizarre mistakes, like calling a chihuahua a muffin. Yes, that actually happened. And here's another twist. AI can be biased. If the data it learns from is biased, it will make biased decisions too. Ever wonder why AI-powered hiring tools have been caught favoring certain candidates over others? It's because AI only knows what we teach it, and sometimes we teach it the wrong things. But what about the future? Will AI take over the world? Should we be afraid? The truth is, AI is not coming for all jobs, but it is changing the workforce. In the next decade, 40% of jobs will be automated, but at the same time, new AI-powered jobs will emerge. The real question is, are you preparing for this future or ignoring it? AI is no longer the future, it's the present. And if you don't start learning about it now, you'll be playing catch-up when it's already too late. But don't worry, I've got you covered. If you're serious about mastering AI, check out my 30 Days AI Learning Challenge in the playlist. In just 30 days, you'll go from AI beginner to expert, one video at a time. Click it now, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Because in the age of AI, the only thing worse than being replaced by AI is being unprepared for it.